whether it is condoning the act of a person who was responsible for death of a political worker, Santosh Patil, or bowing before rowdy sheeters like fighter Ravi. Today is a day when Prime Minister has proved former Governor Satyapal Malik right कि प्रधानमंत्री जी को करप्शन से कोई खास ऐतराज नहीं है. We all saw Prime Minister's video talking to Shri Ishwarappa, joking with him, supporting him, trying to assimilate him back into their fold. I ask you, as a citizen of India, Mr. Prime Minister Modi, wasn't Mr. Ishwarappa sacked as a minister because a BJP leader and worker Santosh Patil committed suicide and wrote in his death note that he is committing suicide because 40% commission was being demanded from him by the minister? Has Prime Minister Modi ever spoken to the family of BJP worker Santosh Patil? Has Prime Minister Modi ever called widow of Santosh Patil and spoken 2 words of condolences to him? Has Prime Minister Modi ever decided to go to house of Santosh Patil when he came to Belgavi? When we said double engine Sarkar is double engine Droha, it has been proved today by none less than Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, calling Mr. Ishwarappa. Mr. Ishwarappa may be a BJP worker or a leader, but Mr. Ishwarappa was removed on charges which may or may not be tested finally in a court of law, but he was removed on the ground of 40% corruption commission, and that allegation was not levelled by the Congress party. That allegation was levelled by Shri Santosh Patil, who committed suicide, leaving behind a death note saying that he was being demanded 40% commission for payment of contracts by Mr. Ishwarappa and his colleagues. If allegations of Mr. Santosh Patil were not right, why did you remove Mr. Ishwarappa? If allegations of Santosh Patil were not right, why did you deny ticket to Ishwarappa? Prime Minister Modi condoning, sanctioning, putting his stamp of approval over 40% commission government in Karnataka is fatal for India's democracy. I feel ashamed as citizen of India that Prime Minister, for somehow seeking power, will go to any extent, will bow before fighter Ravi, will do namaskara to him, will bow before him, and now will speak to Mr. Ishwarappa. What did Mr. Satyapal Malik, appointed by Mr. Modi as governor of first Jammu Kashmir and then Goa, say? Mr. Satyapal Malik said, and he is on video, you all have shown, he said that in Goa there were complaints of big and petty corruption, which he reported to the Prime Minister. And Prime Minister called him back, Satyapal Malik back, to say these allegations may not be correct. So when Satyapal Malik asked Prime Minister Modi ji, on what basis are you saying so? So Satyapal Malik revealed that the man who was taking money sitting in Chief Minister's residence is the person who was being quoted by Prime Minister. How was a man who was sitting allegedly in CM's residence taking money talking to the Prime Minister of India in Goa? Governor Satyapal Malik also said that when he was in Jammu and Kashmir as governor, Hasind Rabu and Ram Madhav is a former general secretary, they came to him with a deal of over 300 crores. It was reported to the Prime Minister, Modi ji took no action. I thought this was a government of na khaunga na khane dunga. But now it has become a government of sanctioning 40% commission. That's why the double engine government is double engine droha. They took no action. PM sat like a Moni Baba for 4 years, took no action against ministers, against chief ministers, on scams, on job scams, on statements made by Mathadishas, Dingleshwar Swamiji or Lingayat Swamiji, on letter written to him by the Contractor Association, on letter written to him by 40,000 Private School Association, RUPSA. Now we know why. Because sadly, Prime Minister appears to have condoned 40% commission. His call to Mr. Ishwarappa, which has been shown by all television channel of Karnataka, proves that today. It's a sad letter day for India's democracy when Prime Minister of India sanctions by his acts, by his conduct, by his conversation with people who were removed as ministers on charges of 40% commission, but completely ignores family of Santosh Patil. We demand an explanation. We demand an explanation from Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi. Modi ji, you are senior in age. You hold an august office. We respect your age and your august office. But your conduct has brought down the prestige of that office that people respect. BJP has now officially put its stamp of approval on the 40% commission. People of Karnataka will not pardon you, will demand answers from you every time you come to Karnataka. Any questions, you're welcome to ask.
सर, इससे पहले हिमाचल में भी प्रधानमंत्री ने अपने एक वर्कर से बात की थी, आज फिर कर्नाटक में किया, क्या दोनों में कोई संयोग है?
आदरणीय साथी, सवाल ये नहीं है कि प्रधानमंत्री किससे बात करते हैं। सवाल ये है कि देश के प्रधानमंत्री ने आज एक नैतिक जघन्य अपराध किया है। नैतिक तौर से प्रधानमंत्री जी का जो ऑफिस है उस पर एक प्रश्न चिन्ह खड़ा कर दिया है। प्रधानमंत्री जी ने आज अलेज्ड जो करप्शन है, 40% कमीशन है, उसको कंडोन कर दिया है, उसके लिए माफीनामा लिख दिया है। प्रधानमंत्री जी ने आज 40% कमीशन भाजपा सरकार के व्यवहार पर, चरित्र पर, कार्यकुशलता पर, जो उनकी 40% कमीशन की कार्यकुशलता है, बदनामी है, उस पर मोहर लगा दी है। प्रधानमंत्री जी ने आज कह दिया है कि भाजपा के नेताओं की जिंदगी और उनके वर्कर्स की जिंदगी का कोई महत्व नहीं। प्रधानमंत्री जी ने आज कह दिया है कि सत्ता प्राप्ति के लिए वो तथाकथित भ्रष्टाचार के आरोप में मंत्री के आगे भी बिछ जाएंगे और वो राउडी शीटर फाइटर रवि के आगे भी झुककर नमस्कार करेंगे, किसी तरह से वोट मिल जाए। प्रधानमंत्री जी ने आज कर्नाटक आने का और कर्नाटक के लोगों से मत मांगने का नैतिक अधिकार खो दिया है। क्या यह सच नहीं कि श्री ईश्वरप्पा को बतौर मंत्री के इसलिए बर्खास्त किया गया क्योंकि भाजपा के नेता संतोष पाटिल ने उन पर और उनके सहयोगियों पर 40% कमीशन की रिश्वत का आरोप लगाकर सुइसाइड नोट लिखकर आत्महत्या की थी। इसीलिए ईश्वरप्पा जी को बर्खास्त किया गया था और दरकिनार किया गया था। प्रधानमंत्री ने संतोष पाटिल की बेवा से बात तो की नहीं, प्रधानमंत्री संतोष पाटिल के घर तो गए नहीं, प्रधानमंत्री ने उनके बेटा बेटी या भाई या पिता से बात तो की नहीं। प्रधानमंत्री उनको मना रहे हैं, उनके आगे पलक पावड़े बिछा रहे हैं जिसको 40% कमीशन के आरोप में बर्खास्त किया गया था। उन्होंने आज सत्यपाल मलिक पूर्व गवर्नर की बात को साबित कर दिया कि मोदी जी को करप्शन से परहेज नहीं है।